Today we see how to secure Apache2 modules on Ubuntu and Debian. That solution is also valid for Apache 2.2 on Ubuntu and Debian. On the first video, we see how to set up security header on securityconf. If you missed the first video, please check that on my channel. So, now check if the securityconf is enabled. For activate the additional security header, enable the header module on Apache. Sometimes the module is already enabled. In that case, skip this part. Now check if the security errors are present. And that's it. So now we see how to disable the auto-index module. Auto-index before. On localhost test folder. Reload Apache. Auto-index after disable. Not found. Done. Now see how to disable server status mode. Server status before. Reload Apache. Server status after disable. Not found. Done. There are some useful additional security modules that you can install, for example for protect from brute force attacks, DOS attacks, and modules that works as web application firewall to protect from XSS, SQL injection, and other application level attacks. On the next video, we see how to install and configure that modules. For the documentation, you can find link on description. So, if you like that video, subscribe my channel and activate the bell for other solutions. Bye!